Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing good and fine. So today's vlog is about I'm just showing you how the end of the school year happens here. So it is end of the school year, summer break time. So that's what I'm covering in today's vlog. So you can see I've just finished with my breakfast. It was chole bhature. And then her online classes had started. So I'm just covering how her day and how the end of the school is going on, what all happens here, how they do it. So here the morning assembly kind of online pledge. She's saying out the pledge, and after that she chose to read a book to the first graders. Here, the third, fourth, fifth graders, they kind of choose to read to the lower graders like the kindergartners, first graders, any books of their choice that can entertain the small kids. So here she chose the book from Dr. Seuss's and she's reading it out to the kids. So end of the school year here, it's kind of like fun and little bit of enjoyment, because they believe like they worked the whole year out. So end of the school year should be like little fun, like they watch movies, they play games, they talk, they have kind of small party, they share what they're going to do in the summer break. So all that kind of things that happen in the school year. So I thought I'll just cover a small part of it and show you how it happens here. Also, teachers encourage kind of things like pajama party and all that. So when it was in school normal days, they used to go in pajamas to the end of the school year, and they used to watch more movie with popcorns. So like that, lot of fun stuff used to happen. But now it was limited to online, but we all try to do it, the maximum fun it can bring out to the kids. We all try to cover that. Teachers, parents, everybody try to do the best that can be fun and frolic for them. Actually, this Dr. Seuss's books are really fun to read because it has a lot of colorful pictures. Kids from age to 4 to 6, they enjoy this kind of books, because actually my son also enjoys this book when she reads out to him. So I will cover the types of book each age group I have used for her till now, and how my son also enjoys some of the books from the library. So here they actually encourage reading a lot from the time they start kindergarten. Age level appropriate and child level appropriate books teachers provide, teachers recommend, they give us a list, and like that they encourage reading from the time they start schooling here. So reading is a core curriculum, like any kind of books. It can be non-fiction, fiction, from the library, from the school library, from anywhere, it's fine for them. They have to read. Like every day 20 minutes of reading is recommended from the school. So that's how here the reading part is taken care. So hopefully here in US all are getting vaccinated. Me and my husband have also got vaccinated. So it's like we hoping that this coming academic year that opens in September, it would be like normal schooling, like full day schooling, because offices are going to open and schools are going to run regular. So that's what the country is hoping, because I think most of the population in America has been vaccinated. That's what they're hoping to. And actually now everybody are going out without mask and everything. So hopefully kids get back what they have lost from past 1 year of school, online schooling, because after all, going to school and learning in school and having the whole school curriculum with the physical education, art, music, all these things include the schooling. So which was a big part of missing this school year. That's come to an end. So after her morning session was over, we went to pick up her supplies from school. That's how she met her teachers, because she doesn't know her school very well, because we moved to this new house and then the school started. That time was a pandemic time, so she doesn't know her school and teachers very well. Only she has seen them online past 1 year. So that's her school. Hopefully she goes there this September. So we just went to give the materials like all the laptops and chargers, and then pick up the supplies that she needs for the last day of the school, that will be used for their party, or the time they're going to spend with each other, teacher and students. So they pack all the supplies and they give every week, and we go drop whatever she has done. Like that it used to be. So this is the last supply pickup, hopefully. That's what we're hoping. So she met her teachers, and just a goodbye for the summer break. You can see even teachers are having kind of fun, and they're just waving to all the children and wishing them a good summer break. That's her school, Tahoma Elementary School. So they have divided here into like elementary, middle and high school. So that's the bag she got. That's the certificate she got for her reading for this year. Like, she did a good job at reading. So they have lots of goodie bags. So this is how the reading chart, every week we record and give it back to the school, and they get a small token of appreciation like donuts or something, as a part of it, just to make the kids happy. And then they give out small things like small goodies like rubber, pencil, something like that. And there she got one popcorn cup with a book that she can read through the summer. That's the level of books that she is reading now. So the teacher gifted her the book. That's a popcorn. We can microwave and give it to her. So that's the small goodies the teacher gives to the kids here. You can see the teacher's name there. That's from another teacher. And I think it's for the party. Some things like cookies or something is there inside that. My son is more excited to get these. Yeah, here it's a bingo. Actually, online schooling also was fun. We got to do a lot of innovative things that we have never thought about. That's juice and some cookies. I think they're going to have a movie time. And that's a yogurt, fruit snack, and some mints. Yeah, these were the things in the goodie bag in this one. And they had some s'mores, some chocolate chip. And then they also gave us this packet. That's a reading packet for the summer. We can make them do through the summer break. So now she's finishing her grade 3. Now next September she'll be going to grade 4. And that's some reading thing that we can mark the hours and give it back to the library, stuff like that. He is super excited about all these things, more than her. So that's what the goodie bag had. You can see the next day they're just having this movie time and she's using all those things. They basically show any kids choice movie. They have a voting and everybody, the whole class, whatever they voted for, they'll watch that movie. So it's just the fun, and no studies. All the studies are done report cards are sent home. So it's just relaxing and fun day. And this the day the school closed in the evening, we had in our community park behind our house. They just threw an ice cream party for the kids, like popsicles and ice cream. You can see a truck there, and they were just giving out to the kids, just having some fun and enjoying the start of summer, and just to meet up after, because all are vaccinated. You can see most of them are without mask. And then after this, she had her dance class for the day, and we had taken her there. So that's all from me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and be a part of our beautiful family. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye. Take care.